Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Froggy Broggy from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the mouth with a long sideways oval. Next, let's hop inside and draw the teeth. We'll start in the center at the top and let's draw a V shape. Then let's draw two more on either side. Now let's move down and draw the bottom row. Let's draw two in the center. And then two more on the sides. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a circle. And let's do the same thing on the top right over here. Now inside each eye, let's draw a skinny oval on the left side. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, underneath each eye on the outside, let's add another small curve down. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a long curve across between the eyes. Then from the sides, let's draw another curve down and then bring it in. And now let's connect them with a curve going upwards. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw two lines down. Then from the sides, let's curve it outwards. And then let's close off the bottom by curving it down towards the center. Next, let's hop inside and draw the arms. Let's start with two U-shaped curves like this. And then inside each one, let's add another small curve. And that's it for the upper body. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curved line down and out. And let's do the same thing on the right. And now let's move inside and let's draw another curve underneath on both sides. Now underneath each leg, let's draw two angles down and in. And the inside line should be a little bit longer, like this. Now at the ends, let's add the feet. Let's start with a curved V out. And then one more underneath to close off each foot. And that's it for Froggy Broggy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!